Hi guys, and thank you for joining us here at Black Stag Styling. We have a lovely bit of kitting with us for the next sort of 5 to 7 days for a nice bit of styling. So it's going to be a good one for you guys to check out on the old channel. So we have in with us an Audi RSQ3 in a lovely green colour, so nice and bright. Already got loads of styling bits and pieces, of course, done to this, but we are doing, of course, just taking that little step further. So we have it in with us to do a full Maxton body kit, so all in the gloss black to go with all the other gloss black bits on the car. So we'll be fitting all of them bits. We've got a front splitter, we've got side skirts, we've got a rear sort of diffuser and side section, and some rear spoilers as well, all going onto the vehicle. So the normal thing, all fitted and bonded correctly. We're also taking the rear bumper off and doing as like a lower section, which is in sort of a textured just plastic. So we're taking that off, that'll be all stripped off the vehicle. We'll then prep it, high build primer it, and paint it and lacquer it in gloss black, just to improve the back of the car, along with the Maxton bits and pieces as well. And then we're also doing some spacers, so looking about 15mm spacers onto the wheels, just to bring the wheels out nicely with the wheel arches. That'll just be a nice finishing touch, make it look a little bit more aggressive, finishing it off nicely. So do stay tuned for this one, it is going to be a good one. Do like and subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to comment. Let us know what you think about what we're doing. Would you do this to your car? Would you not? Would you do some different bits and pieces? And of course, give us a shout if we can help. Right, we're going to get this into the old workshop. So roll the intros. Here we go.
Today we have an Audi RSQ3 and we have some lovely Maxton parts fit to it. So today we're fitting a front splitter, some side skirts, a rear, well, spoiler slash lip. I wouldn't really call it a whole spoiler, but some little side spats for the rear.
Nice little side section. Let's have a quick look. Oh, look there. There we go, some little rear bumper corner bits,
rear,
and they look good.
So obviously other kits are available, but
we do not really going to Maxton stuff.
Yeah, nothing's going to fit like Maxton.
No, it's good, the old Maxton.
And as we are a dealer, why wouldn't you buy? Yeah.
Exactly. So all in the gloss black, aren't they? You've got a protective film on at the moment, so that'll all come off once Tommy's got them all ready to go on.
Yeah, lovely. Right, can we crack on then?
Yeah, man.
Cool.
We crack on, pal. Lovely. That's Mr. Richardson, look. Oh, look, he's blowing kisses to his fans. Right, here we go, get everything on.
Right, so we're just putting some Edison sealer on.
And a bit of the bonding sealer on, I see there, Tommy. Lovely.
Yeah, and we
got
shall
some primer on there as well, haven't you?
Oh yeah. We'll be reinforcing this with some self-tapping nuts that are in the fitting kit.
Lovely.
Safety first, we like to add a little bit of sealer in there.
You know it. So already test fitted. In fact, you got the one on the other side, haven't you?
Yeah. Don't hang around here, man.
We're going to have a little look in a minute. So yeah, while Tommy's just putting the sealer on there, we'll have a look at the other one. Here's Fraser, look. Hello, Fraser. The other one is on the other side. Just about to say that. There we go. So that is all bonded, screwed, bolted, everything all on there. We'll just go back over them because they've done a little cutout as well. Haven't you, Tommy? You've done a little cutout, haven't you? I forgot to mention that.
Yes, so we had to do a little cutout because this is the one and only Maxton kit we come across that covers up your jacking point. Okay. So we cut a little piece out just so you can still get to it.
Superb.
So, yeah, don't normally modify these, but...
No, a little bit of modification. We don't mind that. Right. Time to get it on. There you go, they're going to get nicely lined up with your bonding agent. And then get the bolts in as well.
Come my way.
Do you need to?
No, I've got like 2 mil gap.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they'll get their bolts in. And it all done up. Right, so Tommy's now getting the sealer onto the front splitter section. As you can see, the primer's all on there as well, it's all been keyed up. Primer, get the bonding agent on there, and then that'll be ready to go onto the front of the vehicle. Already done the test fitting, haven't you?
Oh yeah, baby. She's been on.
You done the test fitting, Josie?
Yeah, had to supervise.
So Josie's been doing the supervising, the Tommy.
Yep.
There we go, so yeah, bonding agent all on. And then that will be, get it onto the vehicle.
Yeah.
Right, okay, time to get it onto the front of the vehicle. Line it all up. Same as with the side skirts. They've got the metal fixings, obviously bonding agent as well.
Yep.
To get it all on and lined up. Right, guys, just getting the bumper off, haven't we?
Yeah.
Because we've got to do that lower middle section, that's got to be prepped and painted. And the gloss blick. So Tommy and Josie are just taking the bumper off.
Just removed the customary 14,000 screws, fixings and clips from it.
Right, there we go, bumper all off.
Easy as that.
Gently. Superb, well done Tommy and Josie. And then now getting that lower section all off.
Yep.
Stripped and then prepped.
Yeah.
So the rear spoiler is all onto the vehicle. That's been put on using a bonding agent. It's also got the sticky pads as well, just to help it stick onto the vehicle. We've also got a bonding agent on there as well. So that is your rear spoiler. Sort of looks spot on with, of course, the gloss black badges. It's also already got like a top lip spoiler already on the vehicle. So when you look at the two, that just lines up nicely. Looks smart. There we go. As you know, back bumper's all off the vehicle, I know, whilst we do that gloss black section, and then we've got two little side sections to go on the rear bumper as well. Right, we're now over with Fraser. Hello mate.
What's up players?
He's just doing the wheel spacers. Not the pretend ones, the wheel ones. Oh, sort of walked over to where the jack is in the way here. So, tell us all about them, Fraser.
Well, I got them for Christmas last year and I never got round to fitting them.
Oh, and we felt that this was the time.
This was the time really. So we have got some very nice 15mm wheel spacers by BMX.
Yeah, you got it. You got it, pal.
Fitting them on.
In the black.
In the black.
To go with the black wheels.
To go on the wheels, on the wheel hubs, to then hold the wheels out further so it looks more menacing.
Oh, tell us, what are you applying there, Fraser?
I don't know, to be honest with you. Black's bigger? I don't know.
Copper slip. Putting your copper slip
As
on.
always, nice amount of that. And then get this lined up with the threads. Boom. A little bit more copper slip around there.
Just enough of a
Just
difference
a
with that
little
bad
bit up.
boys on there. I think you've even got some new black bolts and black lockers, haven't you?
We have
Yeah, I'll come around this side. Let's move around a bit.
new black bolts here. which are longer, because these just bolt straight through the wheel, and then sometimes when you have spacers, that'll bolt the spacer onto the hub, and then you bolt the wheel on. But these ones just go straight the way through. It's a lot easier, it's simpler times, you know.
You know it. And we got new lockers as well.
New lockers just in there.
Black.
They just look the same.
Okay, so Fraser's finishing this side with other sides all done on it, mate.
It is, mate.
You can't fully tell at the moment, but they'll sit, there you go, just nicely now with the wheel arches. So we're getting there with this now. We've just got the section on the rear bumper that Frasmoir will be painting maybe tomorrow.
Maybe.
And then the last little bit spot on the bumper.
Morning, Alex.
Hello there, Tommy.
So this morning I've spent a little bit of time putting this back together after Fraser's had some lovely paintwork done. So yeah, it's now in gloss black rather than that horrible factory texture that you get from Audi.
Lovely grey sort of texture, isn't it?
Yeah,
lovely now.
Looks a bit boring and nothing, doesn't it?
It does, mate. Yeah, it needs that gloss black to go with the last little bit.
It's a bit like when you choose like hubcaps instead of alloys as your optional extra. Right.
Can you still even get hubcaps?
I don't know.
In a car? Can if it's a Tesla, can't you?
You can still get
Tesla
like
wheel trims.
round cars straight from the dealer, so I'm sure you can.
Yeah, that's very true.
So yeah.
This
so,
is far from brown. It's Kermit green.
Yes, it is definitely very, very green. So we're now going to grab Josie, going to fit this on, and then I'm going to get the little Maxton bits, the little I don't know what you call them really.
Yeah, sort of corner spoiler sections.
Corner spoilers, yeah. It's not really a splitter, is it? 'Cause this is.
I think they're classed as side splitters, but
Okay.
yeah, something like that. Yeah, man. We'll get.
Help us out in the comments if you like, if you know what they're called.
You know it.
Yeah, cool. Right, well I'll grab Josie and we will slide this on and then put the side splitter, spats, whatever you want to call them on.
Okay. Here we go. Time to get the bumper on to the vehicle, get it all fitted back up. And then, like Tommy said, just got the little corner sections to get on as well.
Corner sections, that's a good one.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Yeah.
Canards, extensions, whatever they might be. So yeah, they'll just get this all connected back up. In case anyone's wondering, the little sensors at the back there, they're like little lollipops to them. They are the sort of crash detection things, aren't they?
Yeah, just in case you don't notice that someone hit you up the bum.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
It'll tell you.
It'll let you know in advance.
Right, so we're now with Thomas, who is sticking the last bits of the Maxton kit on the RSQ3.
Exactly.
Just the little rear corner splitters.
And we've changed the cameraman also.
And we've changed the cameraman.
The viewers at home won't know this, but he's the better looking cameraman.
Wow, thank you very much.
So he's easier on my eye when I'm fitting these. But more of a distraction.
Right. Because I've got no trousers on it?
Well, didn't want to say that, but you know what they say, Alan?
Yeah.
Rock out with your...
So what are we doing, Thomas? A little bit of Bonder, then
Yep.
still some screws.
Yep, some little screws in there, little self-tapping jobbies that will just find their own little home.
Lovely.
Pop this up
Have you
there.
got a gun licence to use that?
Obviously not.
Obviously not, 'cause he's dropped it.
So.
You've just fitted the rear lower trim as well, haven't you, Thomas?
Yeah, I did that this morning, but that was in the previous section.
We've had that
Since
off.
you're a new cameraman.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
You
But
didn't
yeah,
know.
that's looking nice and gloss black, isn't it?
Yep, very shiny.
Lovely job. We'll let you carry on, mate. We'll come and see you at the end when you're all done.
Alright, mate.
All
No
right, mate.
worries.
See you soon, mate.
Much love.
Well, there we go, guys. Brings us to the end of another one of our lovely videos here at Black Stag Styling. Thank you for joining us. It's been a pleasure working on this Audi RSQ3 in the green. Nice to have one in a different colour. Normally see the greys and blacks, things like that, but the green specialist colour really does look smart on this vehicle. So as you know, we've been doing the Maxton bits and pieces plus a couple of other bits. So starting with the front of the vehicle, we've done the lower front bumper Maxton splitter in the gloss black. Of course, screwed, bonded, bolted, everything to the front of the vehicle. Then moving down the sides, we have our gloss black side skirts, again fitted and bonded on all correctly and lined up nicely. With then moving to the back of the car, we have the bumper side black like canard sections, but we've also removed the bumper and stripped the centre like lower grey plastic section and done that in the gloss black as well, and of course refitted all of that as well. We then, just to finish the look off, have gone with some 15mm wheel spacers just to bring the wheels out nicely to the edge of the arches, just finishing off that look. So thank you for checking out the video. We'll give you a last look round the vehicle at the end. Do stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel so you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Check out some of the other videos on the channel, and we'll hopefully catch you again soon for some more videos. Here we go, last look round. Take care.